everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about the Bad Habit After Collection eyeshadow palettes. There are 4 eyeshadow palettes total. The palettes are $10 a piece, and if you purchase the bundle you get all 4 for $30, so it's like you get one free, so that's what I did. So the 4 are After Dark, Aftershock, After Party, and After Hours. I'm going to insert some pictures of swatches of all of these so you can kind of see the shadows up close. And I've been doing it to where I do the pictures of the swatch and then do like a boomerang kind of thing where you kind of see the shimmers. So if you like that, let me know. If you would rather me just swatch them on my arm and leave out the pictures or leave out the boomerang, let me know. I just want your feedback to let me know if that is something that you like, or should I just leave it out? Just let me know. So let's go ahead and get into the palettes. The first one is this After Party, and that's what the packaging looks like. The packaging on all these is just so pretty. I love it. And it feels high-end. It has a magnetic closure, just a cardboard packaging, and then it has a mirror. They all have a mirror, and they all have 9 shadows. I used this on my eyes today. I'm pretty happy with the way the look turned out. I did mess up my outer corners here. I used like tape to kind of make it a little bit sharper there, but then I tried to blend it out and it messed it up. So ignore that. But for other than that, I like the way the look turned out. I have, let's see, this shade on. I have Morning After, which is the shade on as a transition, Musk in the crease, Invite Only in the outer V kind of, and Strobe Light, the silver, on my lids. The mattes are very pigmented. They're pretty powdery. They blend really easy though, and they do. I did have some fallout from them, so or from at least the darkest shade. So I would recommend doing your face last or doing your eyes first. This Strobe Light shade, I was not impressed with it at all. That's what I have on the inner half of my lid. It was very chunky, and I didn't use glitter glue, which I should have used that, but I went ahead and just put it on with my shadow brush, and it was just chunky and patchy and fallout everywhere. So I went ahead and sprayed my brush with the MAC Fix Plus, but I used that, and it did help. I don't know, I was expecting more out of it. You know, I used the Strobe Light, and I got fallout everywhere, and I can still see it like all over my face right here. So definitely, if you're going to use that shade, use a glitter glue and do your foundation before so you can wipe all that off. But that shade looks like it's the chunkiest in this palette. I think I've used every shade. I used the black shade as my eyeliner on the top, and that one did pretty good. I wetted my brush with the MAC Fix Plus and used that as eyeliner, so that worked. Open Tab, which is this one here, is probably the only one I haven't used. Trouble is another one I don't think I've used. I don't think I've even swatched that one yet. It's like a bronzy kind of gold. But I know I've used the pink, and I really like that. And I used Tipsy. I think I used them 2 together, like I did that pink. I did, what's it called? Hairspray. It's the pink one on my inner half, and then Tipsy on the outer half of my eye one day, and it looked pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some swatches of this one. After Party palette has 4 mattes and 5 shimmers. You have the black, which is called Blackout, Morning After, Invite Only, and Musk. Those are all mattes. And then the shimmers, there's Tipsy, Strobe Light, Hairspray, Trouble, and Open Tab. And I'm actually holding it upside down so I don't blind you with the mirror, but yeah. So that's the After Party palette. Next one is the After Hours. And again, very pretty packaging. You can see the difference. This is the first one. This is After Hours, and this one is more of the pinks and mauves, and there's even a red in there. This one I have used before too, and I really liked this one. This one does not have a super chunky shadow in it. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes and 3 shimmers. For the look that I did with this one, I used Powder Room as my transition, Lustful in my crease, Wine Stain in my outer corner. I believe I used Gossip all over my lid, and then Clutch in the inner corner. and I love the way it looked. So I was very happy with this one. I'll go ahead and insert pictures of this one. The next one is After Dark, and here's a little comparison. This one just has more of a pink color to it. Oh, there we go. You can kind of see there too. This one is like more the warm toned palette. It has 8 mattes. Yeah, 8 mattes and 1 shimmer, which is in the middle. It is like a pretty much a coppery bronze. I have not used this one at all. I haven't swatched it or anything. I'm trying to look. Yeah, I don't think I've used this one at all. But I will insert some pictures. Again, pretty colors. There are some pretty bright, like this one here is like super bright orange, like a so pretty. I have not used this one on my eyes yet. I haven't even swatched it. I just now swatched that color class. Like that was like super vibrant. So pretty. That rosy glow color, this one here, it looks like it'd be so pretty too. So yeah, that's that one. Like I said, I have not used this one on my eyes. I kind of want to see, I'm going to swatch 24 karat, the shimmer one, just to see how chunky it is. It's not too bad. It is slightly chunky, not too bad. Not nearly as bad as that silver one was. But look at that color. It's so pretty. The next one is called Aftershock, and just look at that packaging. How pretty is that? This is probably my favorite packaging of all of them. But look at those colors. I probably would not have purchased this if it wasn't part of the bundle, because there's like super bright colors and that's just not my thing. I love those colors, I don't tend to use those. So this is the colors, and there are 6 mattes and 3 shimmers. I have not used this or swatched this or anything, but I'm so excited. I kind of want to just go in and do these. I'm going to go ahead and swatch some right now. There's the shimmer shades. That purple one is a little bit powdery. The other 2 are not too bad. Look at those. They're so pretty. The purple one is powdery and chunky, but you can cut it. It does blend out pretty good, so I messed it all up. But anyway, you can see. I got to swatch some of these mattes in this bright shade. Look how these are so bright. Wow, they're very pigmented. Oh, that turquoise is kind of powdery. You can see. This is just like swatch with my fingers, no primer or nothing. Here's the other 2 shades. That coral, oh, so pretty. So the Aftershock palette is so pretty and so vibrant. I haven't used it on my eyes, so I couldn't really tell you as far as how that works, but I will insert some pictures of swatches on my arm. Every shadow in here is super pigmented. There's a few that are kind of chunky. They're all kind of somewhat powdery. That's just like the formula of most of the Bad Habit shadows anyway. That is the Aftershock palette. So I did do a video using the After Party palette, which is the smoky one. I believe it's going to go up after this one, so stay tuned for that. Also, I forgot to mention that I believe these are supposed to be dupes for the little Huda Beauty mini palettes. I don't own any of those, so I couldn't tell you for sure. And I believe that the Huda Beauty ones are actually smaller than this, but the shades are very similar. So I would recommend these. I got them from the Shop Hush app. They were $10 a piece, $30 for the bundle. If you bought all 4, it was only $30, so it's like you got one free. So I like the quality, I like the pigmentation, they blend really easy. The only one I've been disappointed in so far is the silver one in Blackout. I made it work, but it could have been better. It's kind of chalky and a lot of fallout. But anyway, other than that, I would recommend them. The ones I've used, I made pretty looks with. I really like them. Good quality packaging. And yeah, so that's all for this video. I just want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram. I'll have it down below. And give me some thumbs up if you liked the video. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.